This is a DJI Osmo Pocket 4 video test. Not an official unit, but a realistic preview of what Pocket 4 video should look like based on DJI's latest camera tech. And if DJI follows its current upgrade path, this could be a huge leap for compact creators. Before we start, quick clarity. DJI has not officially released the Osmo Pocket 4 yet, so this test is based on Osmo Pocket 3 image quality, DJI Action 4 low light performance, Mini 4 Pro color science, and DJI's current Rocksteady Plus gimbal stabilization tech. This gives us a very accurate expectation of Pocket 4 video performance. In bright daylight, Pocket 4 is expected to deliver sharp 4K video with excellent detail retention, natural colors with DJI's signature clean color science, strong dynamic range that holds highlights and shadows. If DJI upgrades the sensor slightly, rolling shutter should be minimal, even during fast movement. This is the kind of footage creators expect for vlogging, travel, and daily content. Stabilization is where Pocket 4 should shine. DJI's 3-axis mechanical gimbal already outperforms digital stabilization. Walking shots remain smooth, panning is controlled, micro jitters are almost completely eliminated. If DJI refines motor response, Pocket 4 could deliver cinematic motion straight out of the camera, no post-stabilization needed. Low light is the biggest question. Based on Action 4 performance, Pocket 4 should show reduced noise, cleaner shadows, better highlight control, more usable night footage without heavy grain. It won't replace a full-frame camera, but for a pocket device, this would be best in class. Autofocus should remain fast and reliable, especially for face tracking and close-up shots. Audio is expected to improve with cleaner onboard microphones, better wind reduction, and full support for DJI wireless mics. This makes Pocket 4 a true all-in-one creator camera. If DJI delivers even 80% of these improvements, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be the best pocket video camera ever made. Subscribe for real leaks, real tests, and the moment Pocket 4 goes official.